Hey friends, if you wish to increase dedicated video RAM on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, we need to check the VRAM of the system. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane and then you can scroll down and click on advanced display. Select display adapter properties for display 1. Now dedicated video memory has been mentioned here. I guess 512 is the maximum, but if it is not at the maximum in your case, then here's what you can do. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor tool. Go to HKey local machine software and Intel. Okay, how will you go there? HKey local machine software Intel. Now we will create a new key named GMM. Right click on Intel, select new key named GMM. Now we will create a dword 32-bit entry named dedicated segment size. So right click in the open space, select new dword 32-bit entry and name it dedicated segment size. Double click on it. Its value is the value of the dedicated VRAM. You can make it 225 or anything that you want to, and just click on OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.